On behalf of Expert Village, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use and perform different cuts with a portable table saw. After we've lowered our blade, we've got our shroud, fence and everything in place. You'd be surprised how easily this saw folds up. It's a matter of pulling here. This will go in, allowing you to lower and lock that into place. Then you come to this side, pick it up. Another little knob here that locks your feet into place. You pull it out, go ahead and fold that down. It does have its own wheels, so you can cart it around. And over here it has storage for your cord. So you make sure you keep your cord coiled up and tangle free out of the way.